Oh,
Decided I'm going to do some more long format content, so I'm going to make a YouTube video. Give me some questions to answer. I don't know where it's going to head, I don't know what it's going to be about, but I thought, seeing as I have so much camera gear around the house and always on me, why not just do.
you've seen it, and here we are. First video. I don't know what to say. I've got concreters in the background working away. I have done lots of content before. I had a four-wheel drive YouTube channel where I would fly myself around Australia and find the most unique builds, which was so ahead of its time. We're talking V8s in Rangers. We're talking about conversions of Cummins engines in the most unique builds. Guys that weren't sponsored, literally had passion and love for the I guess you could say the sport and the hobby. And I've been thinking about a YouTube channel for ages. I've done a bit of travel stuff before on my personal YouTube that I tried to kick off, and then I did some when we went to Singapore, and then I started breaking it up into, I guess, playlists of like short films and resources and how we operate and what we do and what we're about and how to run meta ads. And I thought it's about time I literally just rip the head off it and get straight stuck into it. I love the idea of being able to film, not particularly to show what I do and to flex on anyone, but I think it's really important that we can find inspiration in life to, I guess, look up to somebody. Not that I want to be someone's hero, but if you're sitting on the fence about something, I think it's great to be able to find something that resonates with you in a world of technology, scrolling, social media, the fantasy that people portray online. I think it's more valuable now for people to do actual YouTube than it probably has ever been. And yeah, it might be a case of I'm late to the party at 34 years old and a father of three and married and the rest of it here in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. But I think it is now or never. I don't know if it's going to be monthly, and I don't know if this could be the only video that I ever do. But having said that, I've put it out on Instagram, sitting here now recording this, putting in some, I guess, some work into it. I don't know where it's going to head. I don't know what it's going to be about. I don't know why I decided to go all in on it, other than I have camera gear. I do get to see a lot of cool shops. I do travel quite a fair bit. I am quite often alone, believe it or not. As much as it looks like we're busy or, you know, you're constantly traveling or whatnot, it is a very lonely journey trying to create a business as well as a very unique business. I think it's unique in the sense of most people sell videos or whatnot. I sort of have the mindset that I want business owners to have one-on-one time with me in their business. And it is lonely because the team isn't very big. It used to be very big. It was a team of 12. Now it's a team of 3, myself and 2 editors. I don't edit. I'm not good at it. This entire YouTube video will be edited with AI because I'm just cutting the fluff out of it. We just go straight to camera, nothing fancy. Yeah, so I guess effectively is, what do you want to see out of it? What don't I show you? Is it business? Is it, actually, no, you're not getting family. Is it business, health, my road to triathlons, as that's a new thing that I've taken up at this age? Yeah, hit me with it. I'd like to know where it all sits, what people think. I'm just fidgeting. I, believe it or not, filmed one video already and I went to go put it into Gling, and as I did that, it failed on me and I've had to re-film this. So I had a pretty good first video. Now I'm just trying to work out how this all works so that way I can deliver videos quite frequently if I need to, but also at the same token have a bit of a seamless process, because who wants to be spending more time at the computer than required? And I don't even know if this is even going to go anywhere. I think that's the hard part. It's just like most people have like a vision. It's like you're either like a how-to person or a product review type of person, or, you know, you explain how things work, or educational. I don't have any of that, other than, I guess, I'm grateful for what I have. I guess it's a case of what am I going to show? Because I feel like that's the biggest hurdle people have when it comes to YouTube, is like, what do I show? What do I do? What am I going to do? I'm going to take everyone's feedback on and we're just going to run with it. I'm going to upload it, see what the numbers do, and see if I can find my tribe. I think the thing I want to find is my tribe. I want to find my tribe that speaks to me. We understand each other. And that's the first video. Let's see where it heads. Peace.